Everybody knows that if you want to grow your Etsy sales without doing ads, you need to be optimizing your listings titles, descriptions, tags, more accurately adding the right keywords to them. But how do you know where to find the right keywords for your niche and products? And even more than that, where and how do you add them for the best results? I will share all of that information in today's video. Hi, I'm Lydia, and on this channel we talk about social media marketing for business and how to make more money online. If you're interested in these topics, make sure to click the subscribe button below. So you've started your Etsy shop and you want to start listing your products. Well, before doing that, you need to ensure that you have a niched shop and that you showcase SEO optimization in your shop as well. You can do that with the shop name, the description. You will need to add images and add more information about your shop at the bottom of the page, as well as your shipping policies, and you can also include SEO in your shop sections. So in this video, I will share more step-by-step on how to optimize your Etsy shop for more sales. Next, before starting to add your products, you will need to research what those are and make sure that they all fit in the same category, so for your niche shop. You will also need to research specific keywords for every specific product, even though most keywords will probably have common words if your shop is about the same thing. So let's start finding those keywords. The first way to find the right keywords for your products is to go to the Etsy search bar and type in the type of product that you want to be creating. Let's say kids milestone blanket. You will then see a bunch of keywords that people are actively searching for pop up on the screen. Write those down and then try different word combinations and see which keywords add up and which keywords pop up next to those as well. Write those down as well. Next, after writing down a few keywords and keywords combinations, write them each one by one in the Etsy search bar and actually press enter. See what shows up in search for the organic search, so not the ads. Look at what shows up in search, what types of products, the types of keywords they have in their titles, in their descriptions, in their tags. Find a lot of keywords that they use a lot and write those down as well for your own listings, but do not copy their titles, their entire titles or descriptions. Just use a few keywords that you see they use often. Once you've done that and you have a good idea of what keywords you want to use and what products you want to create, you can use a tool such as Sales Samurai, for which you have a 3 days free trial by using the link below, and use it to get more keywords combinations that you can use. You can get accurate results of how many sales a product is generating and see how well it's doing on Etsy, what keywords other sellers are using, and what keywords are popular and people are actively searching for on Etsy to find your type of product. After you've gathered all of those keywords and you have them all written down, it is time to use them in your listing. For the product title, don't drop all the keywords in there and that is it. Try writing a natural title that accurately describes your product. For example, Kids Elephant Milestone Blanket, months, years, 0 to 12, fun photo prop idea for babies and children. This can be a really good title for that type of product. For your product description, try using those keywords in a more detailed way. You can start the product description by writing a short line about what the product is. For example, 0 to 12 months or years Kids Elephant Milestone Blanket. Next, you can start describing what the product is and how it can be used. For example, this fun milestone blanket for babies or children can be used as a colorful photo prop. Take your little one's photos monthly or weekly to remember the beautiful milestones and have unique memories to look back to. Then you can start describing what the item's materials are, talk about shipping and returns, and even recommend similar products to your shop and use the links. For the products tags, you can use those actual keywords as some things that people actually type in the search bar to find your product. For example, kids milestone blanket, kids blanket, milestone blanket, elephant blanket, babies milestones, babies blanket, etc. Mix them up and add highly searched ones and then add some that are not so highly searched for. Again, you can use Sales Samurai and get your 3 days free trial with the link below to find other popular listing tags. So be sure to give it a try because it can help you optimize your Etsy listing a lot better. So this is how and where you find Etsy keyword that will fit your listings and that will help you gain more organic sales. If you found this video helpful, you can also find a bunch more videos on selling on Etsy in this playlist right here. If you've enjoyed it, don't forget to leave it a like and subscribe down below for more such content every single week. And you can also follow me on Instagram and on TikTok at Lydia.incomingsuccess for more such content on growing online and making money. Thank you so much for being here, and I will see you in my next video.